touch around me all the time.
Oh my god, you weirdo. Hey, act normal, act normal. Look at that view. Right, so this trip we're going, where we're going? Kristiansand.
Yeah, Mandal.
Kristiansand. Once a month we go camping. Once a month we pick somewhere new. Once a month we have fun. Forget about all the stress and bullshit that's going on in the world. And enjoy views and places like this. Right, get the keys. Let's go.
Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that I'll fire that I love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea.
Yawning's contagious. We're supposed to go to Kristiansand, but my arse is aching. And we found this lovely little village. What's this place called?
Mandal.
Mandal. So we decided, you know what, we're gonna find somewhere to camp here, drink some beer, and explore this beautiful city. So we're about to show you some amazing artifacts and new bridges they've built, and boats, and pubs. It's gonna be fun. Let's go, ho.
Off your seat, clap your hands to the beat, grab your champagne glass tonight. We toast to freedom in the Caribbean, yeah, in the Caribbean, yeah. Dan, dance, smoke, 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 fire it up, let our lanterns paint the night sky red.
Well done, lad.
Paint the night sky red, yeah, yeah. We'll drink honey by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah, no. Never end, yeah, no. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that I'll fire that I love it till you never break apart. And we're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? There won't be one more time, so we're gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we're gonna do this tonight. There won't be one more time, so we're
This is a local beer. You should try this. You need to try this.
Thank you very much.
Colors.
The best things in life are free, ain't they, babe?
Yeah.
Right, let's go. We have found our place to camp. We're gonna wake up in the morning. and have this as our front garden. Oh God. That is the fridge. Hello, Jeffrey. Look, that's the fridge. Keep the beers cold. Little bonfire. And this is where the magic happens. Oh, let's have a little butcher's. The old blow up bed. Got the old munchies. There. Now we are chillaxing. What a spot. This is better than any nightclub. And we ain't even popped the molly yet. We're supposed to be chilling on the beach, enjoying our beer around a bonfire in the sun. But the Norwegian weather. Got my top shot there, but the Norwegian weather is shit. So I don't know whether you can hear the rain. This is gonna be like an amazing memory. But look at this, right? It's like pissing down rain, and we're just chilling.
Cozy though.
Sipping our gin and juice. Only chilling. Guess who pops up?
Hey! Got no friends, so this is close to it.
Oh my days. The worst night's sleep ever. Well, it weren't the worst. Someone forgot pillows. Someone only bring one sleeping bag. The air on the mattress is deflating. The mattress is deflating. It rained so much, the roof was leaking. But other than that, it was alright. We fell asleep at 11 o'clock at night, woke up at 3 in the morning and went back to sleep. But still, it made it a little bit more cozy with the little candle in the corner. The main reason we wanted to camp here tonight. Wow. Beautiful. Ah, let's go. 'Mind, Mandal is banging, mad ting, sad tings, but we're out. I don't even feel like I'm in Norway. I feel like I'm in Spain or something. 3 weeks time we're going Bergen.